Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comment. Well, it's a new month, and overnight had kind of a mixed trade in the grains with beans up, corn and soybean oil about unchanged, and wheat up a little bit. For the month of March, I think a lot of people will be focused first on the March 9th USDA report and whether they make any changes in the U.S. demand and carryouts, for especially corn and soybeans. At the end of the month, we get March 1 stocks plus farmers' guesstimate on acres, and everyone's hoping for at least 182 million corn and bean acres combined, and we'll see if the USDA kind of follows through with that on their farmer survey. March is also kind of a month in which we start setting a foundation for weather. As far as weather is concerned down in South America, it looks like there has been a period in Brazil, some dryness, and that allowed for some second corn to be planted. It also allowed it for some soybean harvest. Most people are still looking at somewhere around 133 million ton Brazil crop and somewhere around 108 million ton corn crop, but it's late. And we don't know if the lateness of the Brazil crop is going to help our export demand. In Argentina, it's mostly dry, especially the southern half of the country. And that is talk about bringing some of the crop numbers down from the USDA. And will that help meal demand? Will that help the oil demand? We did see overnight soybean oil futures test 50 cents a pound on higher palm oil prices. We also note that in Europe and in the Black Sea area, there's a lot of confusion about what actually is going to be exported in this old crop out of Russia. Will it be the 39 million tons that the USDA sees, or will it be something less? The Russians really don't even know, the exporters don't even know what the policy is and how much actually can be shipped. And then we'll start getting into the U.S. weather pattern. The 6 to 10 day calls for mostly normal to above temps and rains across the center part of the Midwest. Overnight, over the weekend, there was some flooding rains in the Ohio River Valley and south. And so we do need to dry out there to get that early corn and soybean crops planted for August demand. Some people think the bean market now will be a consolidating market and that it will be more up to whether we can import beans from Brazil late in the season to satisfy demand or not. So it's going to be a cash-led supply market that's very choppy. If we bring the beans in, beans have a chance to be close to season highs, but it's only like a 20% chance at this point. The corn market should trend a little bit higher because of the increased demand and also the need for farmers to plant more acres in 2021. And the wheat, very choppy, depending upon the outside news about financials, interest rates, the vaccination, the economy, and just what Russia will do on their exports. So buckle up. It's going to be choppy from here on out through the rest of the month of March. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.